Okay, part two, Hogshot Channel TV. So, we're messing with the 7-foot glass house right now. But this is what we're gonna probably be doing soon here. Gloss black IROCS. So, let you guys see. The IROCS are back on there. I'll show you all the way up to the front here. But that's it on that. I'm gonna put the skirts on in a minute. Give me a sec. Okay, got the skirt on there now. So let's see what it looks like. Got the skirts, and these are 275s on these. 275. They're only 20s. They're not no 22s or anything, because I don't like that that hard feeling and all that stuff. I like the comfort. And anyways, this, you know, suspension's all good on this, all new stuff. So just want to give you guys an update on the 74 glass house. You know, been doing this, keeping you guys out of the loop and stuff, but we're just coming along on this car and everything too. 68's in the progress right now too. So that's pretty much it. Talk to you guys later. Hogshot Channel TV later.